Hello, I show you how to hard reset on Coolpad Modena. Turn off the phone. Next, press and hold the power button and volume up key for a few seconds. Use volume key and power button to select factory reset, then choose yes. Finally, click the power button. Your device will now restart successfully. The hard reset is completed now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and rate the video. Hello, I show you how to factory reset through menu on Coolpad Modena. Go to Settings. In Settings, choose Backup and Reset. Then select Factory Data Reset. Finally, click Reset Phone and OK. Your device will now restart successfully. The hard reset is completed now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and rate the video.